Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stream to Twitch with OBS Studio in 2026. First, open OBS Studio on your computer and make sure your Twitch account is ready for live streaming. You'll also need a stable internet connection because your upload speed can directly affect the quality of your stream. Start by creating a new scene in OBS. In the Scenes panel, click the plus button and give the scene a name, such as Twitch Live. Next, add the sources you want viewers to see. For gameplay, you can use Game Capture. If you want to show your entire desktop, use Display Capture. You can also add Window Capture for a specific application and Video Capture device for your webcam. Arrange your sources in the OBS preview. You can resize the webcam, position it in a corner, and organize other elements so your stream layout looks clean and professional. Now open the Settings menu and go to the Stream section. Select Twitch as the streaming service if available, then connect your Twitch account or enter the required stream credentials according to the current Twitch and OBS setup. After connecting Twitch, open the output settings. Choose an appropriate encoder and streaming bitrate based on your computer and internet connection. If you're unsure, start with the recommended configuration and test the stream before making major adjustments. Next, go to the video settings and select your base and output resolution. You can use a resolution such as 1080p if your hardware and internet connection can handle it. Otherwise, choose a lower resolution for a more stable stream.